wrong, you know. Are you absolutely sure?
Yes, of course I'm sure, Mum. I'm looking at it right now.
And it's definitely negative. You can see it clearly.
I don't really want to bring it any closer to my face.
Oh, sweetheart. Just don't give up hope, love. Eh? It will happen. I'm sure it will.
Yes, Mum, but it's been over a year. I just don't think we can...
Couldn't you even consider IVF, just as a sort
I
of
haven't got
backup?
time to think about doctors. We've barely even got time to, you know...
Well, maybe that's part of the problem, Chloe, you being so stressed. It's not your fault.
I know it's not
but
my fault. It's not Dan's fault, it's just... It just feels like we're ready. Look, I'm gonna go. We'll drive down first thing tomorrow, okay?
Oh, can't you leave tonight? It's Christmas Eve. You know you would leave everything to the last minute and be late again.
I won't be late, Mum. This time, I promise. Tell Dad to get the whiskey out.
All right, well, drive safe. I love you.
Yeah, love you too.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. And oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells.
Excuse me, miss. Hello. Would you dance with me?
I'm sorry, I haven't got any change.
I don't want your money. I just want to dance with you.
I can't dance.
Surely that never stopped you before. Come on, it's... Oh, hey, sorry, mate. I'm so sorry.
Dick?
Oh! 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 Oh!
You okay?
Of course I'm okay. I'm invincible! Oh!
Seriously, you're okay? I'm in a bit of a hurry, but I just need to know you're all right.
What's the rush? Are you working tomorrow?
No?
Well, I am.
What? Are you a firefighter? Or a doctor? Yeah, right.
Do you know what the sad thing is about this? No one ever asks me what I want for Christmas.
Go on, then. What does Santa Claus possibly want for Christmas?
I'm so glad you asked.
Really?
Please?
Here, with me.
Yeah.
I can't dance, just ask my husband.
Oh. Come on. Please.
Fine. Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Fantastic. Fantastic!
This is so weird.
Believe me, there's never been a night more enchanting.
Told you I can't dance.
Of course you can. Look at you. Do you know, of all the songs they've written about me, this one is probably my favorite.
Really?
Yeah, I love it.
Very good.
Well, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, I've been practicing for 600 years.
Right, okay.
Yeah.
That's more than me.
Is it? Thank you for this.
Anyone would have done that.
Can I ask you, what do you want for Christmas?
Jesus Christ.
He can't hear you, you know, he's not real.
Yeah, well, if that's true, you're out of a job. You know what? It doesn't matter. This is just the perfect end to a perfect year.
Merry Christmas, Chloe.
I didn't...
You okay?
Yeah. It's just... I think Santa just got me pregnant.